To switch colors while you're making a double crochet, you don't complete the double crochet. Let's look at how you change colors. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. If we were going to complete a regular double crochet, we would yarn over and pull through these 2 loops right now. But instead, we're actually going to be changing colors. So you're going to take your next color and place it over your hook, leaving a tail end of yarn behind it. Hold it securely and yarn over with the new color and pull it through the 2 loops instead. You may need to tug on the yarn to secure it in place, but from here you can continue crocheting in the new color. So I'm going to complete a double crochet in the new color that I introduced. I'm going to make another double crochet in the new color, but then I'm going to switch back to the original color. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and instead of yarning over and pulling through 2 with this color, I'm actually going to switch, pick up the original color, and yarn over and pull through 2 with that one. As before, I can continue to crochet with the new color that I just switched out. Make sure, if your pattern calls for it, that you're working in both colors while you crochet underneath your stitches. And that's how you change colors.